What is this below? This?
Cervix.
Cervix. Good. So this is the whole uterus. Here. This is whole uterus. Okay. This is the uterus. This is the cervix. Can you see? The lower portion is cervix. Okay. And this is the leiomyoma. It has been cut. Okay. This is, well circumscribed. Okay. Well encapsulated. And there is whirling. Interlacing or whirling of the tissue. Clear?
Yes.
No areas of necrosis or hemorrhage in this. Clear?
Clear.
Here.
Uterine leiomyoma.
Come here. Huh? Leiomyoma. Can you see? Cervix below. This is the uterus. And in the uterus, big leiomyoma. Cut open. It has been cut. The uterus has been cut. It has been removed. Then it has been cut. So this is the leiomyoma. No areas of necrosis or hemorrhage inside it. Okay.
What about the black lesions?
Where?
Like this dark areas.
Where?
From behind.
Leave them. Because when the leiomyoma is there, what happens? Some of the vessels, these are prominent vessels, because of the pressure. And this, these, when they remove it, there is fascia and other things.
Yeah.
Huh? So fascia is removed, many blood vessels are there. Huh?
It's not clear.
Yeah. No, many blood vessels are there. So this is, the blood maybe something, when they remove it from the other fascia and other things. Some blood oozes out and it then changes its color. Huh? So it's like this. So this is the leiomyoma. We finish it.
Okay, clear.